Red lipstick can make you look younger by accentuating contrasts between facial features. C ingredients are great for the skin as they contain minerals similar to those in the body's plasma, helping to restore natural goodness to the skin. Antioxidants help to inhibit oxidation, oxygen reactions, peroxides, or free radicals that cause infection or disease, making them essential for beauty and well-being. The 2.25-inch hair length theory is true. Short hair is suitable for those with a distance of 2.25 inches or less between their chin and earlobe, and those with longer lengths are best suited for longer locks. To wash hair, start at the root as that's where dirt accumulates, and work down to the ends, unless the ends are dirtier, in which case you can wash them as well. When conditioning hair, focus on the ends first before working up to the roots, unless the hair is particularly dry or damaged, in which case you can apply it to the roots as well. To prevent hair breakages and knotting, sleep on satin or silk pillowcases instead of cotton ones. Red hair is the thickest of all hair colors, but has fewer individual hairs than blondes and brunettes. When tweezing eyebrows, work with the direction of hair growth. When moisturizing, start with the thinnest liquid or formula first and gradually move up to the heaviest to build a proper base. The order is toner, serum, moisturizer, and primer. To maintain perfume scent, avoid exposure to heat and sunlight and store it at a consistent temperature, such as in a wardrobe or closet. Rubbing perfume on your wrists will alter the scent. Cut toenails straight across and fingernails to the corners or rounded off. Use manicure scissors for better control than clippers. The first deodorant, Mum, was sold in 1889, while the first antiperspirant, Everdry, was sold in 1903. To achieve a smoother application, cool nail polish in the fridge for 15 minutes before applying it, and dip your wet nails in iced water to speed up drying. Up to 60% of what you put on your skin can be absorbed into your bloodstream. The average lipstick has 293 swipes. The average woman uses 16 beauty products daily, including shampoo, conditioner, shower gel, cleanser, soap, toothpaste, toner, serum, moisturizer, primer, foundation, concealer, bronzer, blusher, mascara, and lipstick. Fair skin is best suited for nude and pink lips and coral or pink cheeks. Olive skin looks best with bronzed or red lips and cherry tones or bronzed tones for the cheeks. Dark skin is complemented by deeper purple tones for the lips and rich oranges and pinks with an undertone of purple for the cheeks. On average, we consume up to 4 kilograms of lipstick in a lifetime. The average woman spends 50 minutes per day on beauty routines. Stress can cause premature aging, acne, and hair loss. Drinking plenty of water, eating a balanced diet, getting enough sleep, and exercising can all contribute to healthy skin. The sun is responsible for 80% of visible facial aging. Using a humidifier can help combat dry skin and prevent premature aging. Air pollution can cause oxidative stress on the skin, leading to aging and skin damage. Smoking can cause wrinkles and premature. 1 in 20 adult women suffer from acne. That is the medical condition of acne. 50% of women in their adult lives reportedly suffer from an occasional breakout. Spots aren't just for teenagers. Vitamin A treats cellulite and skin damage. Vitamin C protects from the sun and is an antioxidant. Vitamin D reduces spots. Drinking water is one of the simplest and most effective beauty secrets. It helps to hydrate your skin from within, giving it a healthy glow and reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. To make your eyes appear brighter, use a white or nude eyeliner pencil on your waterline. This will make the whites of your eyes look bigger and more awake. The best way to apply concealer is to dot it on and blend it in using a tapping motion with your finger or a makeup sponge. This will help to cover up blemishes or dark circles without looking cakey or heavy. Eating a diet rich in fruits and vegetables can do wonders for your skin. The vitamins and antioxidants found in these foods can help to improve skin texture, reduce inflammation, and prevent signs of aging. To prevent your hair from getting damaged and frizzy, use a silk or satin scarf or pillowcase while you sleep. This will help to keep your hair smooth and reduce breakage. Regular exercise is not only good for your overall health, but it can also help to improve your skin. Exercise increases blood flow, which can help to nourish skin cells and give you a healthy glow. Applying a face mask once or twice a week can help to deeply cleanse and moisturize your skin. Look for masks that contain ingredients like charcoal, clay, or hyaluronic acid to target specific skin concerns. To prevent smudging and improve the longevity of your lipstick, blot your lips with a tissue after applying your first coat. Then, reapply the lipstick and blot again. Wearing sunscreen every day is one of the best things you can do for your skin. It helps to protect your skin from harmful UV rays, which can cause premature aging, sunburn, and even skin cancer. A great way to make your lashes look longer and fuller is to curl them before applying mascara. Use an eyelash curler and hold it at the base of your lashes for a few seconds before releasing. To prevent your eyeshadow from creasing or fading throughout the day, use an eyeshadow primer before applying your makeup. This will help to create a smooth base and improve the staying power of your eyeshadow. Drinking green tea can help to improve the health of your skin. It contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that can help to reduce redness, acne, and signs of aging. To prevent your nails from breaking or peeling, keep them hydrated by applying cuticle oil or hand cream regularly. This will help to keep your nails strong and healthy. The best way to apply foundation is to start in the center of your face and blend outwards using a damp makeup sponge or brush. This will help to create a natural, flawless finish. To create the illusion of fuller lips, use a lip liner to line slightly outside of your natural lip line. Then, fill in your lips with a matching lipstick or gloss. Finally, it's important to remember that beauty is subjective and that everyone's skin and hair are different. What works for one person may not work for another, so it's important to experiment and find what works best for you. Embrace your unique features and use makeup and skincare to enhance your natural beauty, rather than trying to conform to society's standards of beauty. Confidence and self-love are the most attractive qualities of all.